afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the August edition of News at Use. News at Use is the monthly media forum of Pampanga Press Club in partnership with Park Inn by Radisson Clark, and it's being held here at Hughes Cafe. This is a very jam-packed afternoon for all of us because we have guests from Philippine Airlines. They'll be giving us updates about the promos and whatnots of the airlines. And then, kung merong airline, merong travel group. We have from the Alliance of Travel and Tour Agencies of Pampanga. And of course, we have Social Security System, or SSS. Okay, before we introduce our guests, I'd like to make a very happy announcement. Our lawyer of Pampanga Press Club has won the grand prize in the Gawad Bienvenido Lumbera Literary Award. Woohoo! That's Ian Flora for his work in Kapampangan Atut Judas, the Fart of Judas. It's in Kapampangan. Congratulations for your 700,000 victory and your pa-burger later. Woo! Ganyan ang PPC. Okay, and we would like to introduce our members, please. Before we introduce our guests, we would like to start in the back. In the gray, yung lolo po nung nagbe-birthday, the president of Pampanga Press Club, Mr. Noel Tulabot. Sa harap po ni Mr. Noel Tulabot is the editor of Sunstar Pampanga, Mr. Ray Novales. And katabi niya, one of the Cab 4, si Mr. Rudy Abular of Anli News and Abante. Anli Cabs. Behind Mr. Abular is from GNN TV 44, Patricia Mamangon Mercado. And then we have the EVP of Pampanga Press Club, Ms. Minnie Arceo. And then the Secretary of Pampanga Press Club and the Editor of Pampanga News Now, Ms. Ria Isidro, Maria Flor Isidro de Fiesta. And in front of Ms. Ria is Will explore the Philippines and the world, Mr. Will Garcia. Wilmer! We have our, the seniors table. Wow, the ex-president's table. We have... and the manager of the seniors. Winner's Circle daw yan. We have past president and the publisher and editor of The Voice News Weekly, my boss, Mr. Lincoln M. Baluyot, and the KFI president, among other things. We also have past president Ashley J. B. Manabat, who is with the Business Mirror. We have Mr. Chris Navarro of Sunstar Pampanga. Of course, we have the recent winner, the fresh winner, Mr. Ian Flora. The business manager of The Voice News Weekly, Ms. Ruby Ilagan Baluyot. She is the better Baluyot daw po. And of course, we have Tito Perry Pangan of RW. Everybody's favorite Tito, sometimes. And continuing, we have from New Media Pampanga, we have Pedok Bartolome and Wency Marin. We have FG, my paring boy, Rick Gonzalez of Central Luzon Business Week. And we have here somebody who makes videos, video casting possible. Siya po yung dahilan bakit nakikita tayo in all our outlets. Videographer, photographer, Mr. Sunny Canlas of Pampanga News Live. Okay, and ako pa naman si Arlene Docban. Now we will be introducing our guests. Again, we have from Philippine Airlines, my immediate right. Nung huli ko po siyang nakita ay hindi pa hyphenated yung pangalan niya, and now she's married. She's a branch manager of Philippine Airlines here in Medrano. Hello. Right beside her is Account Executive Territory Sales Central Luzon, Ms. Keisha Del Rosario. the only thorn among the roses. The President of the Alliance of Travel and Tour Agencies of Pampanga, Mr. Joel Sarmiento. Hello, sir. And then we have the branch head of SSS here in Angeles City, Ms. Normie Cruz. And the Vice President of Social Security System, Ms. Gloria Andrada. Ayan, ngayon, umpisahan na po natin. Usapang paliparan, usapang airline from Philippine Airlines, Ms. Lalaine, go.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, we would like to thank Pampanga Press Club for inviting us, Philippine Airlines, here. So for the presentation, I would like to hand over the mic to our account executive, Ms. Kisha Del Rosario, to give you the latest products and updates of Philippine Airlines.
Hello, good afternoon again, everyone. And we'd like to thank you for having us here this afternoon. And also hello to our online viewers. Will it be okay po if I stand before the screen? Thank you. Yan, so dito lang po ako banda. So again, my name is Kisha Del Rosario, the account executive for territory sales here in Central Luzon. So I am here in front of you to present the latest products and services of Philippine Airlines as well as our updates. Ayan po. Ayan. So again, we are Philippine Airlines, but before I start with it, I'd like to give you just a brief background or an information of who Philippine Airlines is. So of course, PAL, we are known for our Filipino heartfelt service or our buong pusong alaga. So we embody our hospitality, our Filipino hospitality here with Philippine Airlines. And we are very proud to present to you that we are the Philippines, of course, the country's flag carrier. We are the first commercial airline in Asia, and we are very proud to be of service to you, to all of you, for 84 years now. Next slide, please. Ayan, so because of the care that we continuously provide to all of you, our passengers and our clients, recently we were voted the second most preferred airline in Southeast Asia. So as we continue to strive hard to give you the best and only the best, we promise to continue to offer you what's best. So right now, for our domestic flights, we fly to 32 domestic destinations across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And we have our 4 main hubs, which are Manila, Cebu, our very own Clark, and of course, Davao. And we'd like to highlight to you our Clark flights now. So, of course, we are very proud to bring you to our key domestic destinations here from Clark International Airport. So the next slide would be we will bring you daily to Basco Batanes. So flashed on your screen is the flight schedule. And just to also give you an update, starting October 26, 2025, we will be adding more frequency for our Basco Batanes flights. So by October 26, we'll be flying twice daily. Next, we fly from Clark, Busuanga, and vice versa as well on a daily schedule. And again, by October 26, we will be increasing our frequency to 2 times daily. And the next one is we will bring you to Siargao. Ayan po. So we also fly daily from Clark, Siargao, vice versa. On your screen is the flight schedule as well. So for our international network naman, we bring you to 40 international destinations across North America, Australia, and Middle East. So here are our destinations flashed on your screen. Ayan po. So 40 destinations tayo for international flight. Ayan, so just to also give you an update on our new route, we will have Cebu to Calbayog flight starting October 26, 2025, which we will fly 4 times daily from Cebu and vice versa. Next, we will also be increasing our frequency. So we've launched our direct Manila to Seattle flight last October 2024, and we've launched it 3 times weekly. But now we'll be increasing our frequency to 5 times weekly starting November. And we'd also like to take this opportunity to present to you that we will be relaunching. This will be a seasonal route, direct flight from Manila to Sapporo and vice versa, which we will operate 3 times weekly po, starting November 24 na din yan. Ayan, so for our fleet naman, so Philippine Airlines fleet composed of the Boeing 777 or the Boeing 777, which we utilize for our long-haul flights. We do also have the Airbus A350-900, which we also utilize for our New York and Toronto flights. A couple of Airbuses for our regional and domestic flights. And for Clark naman po, since we're bringing you to our islands here in the Philippines, we're utilizing our de Havilland-8-400 NG. So, ayan, and then coming soon, I think this has been circulating as well. The Airbus A350-1000 will be joining the PAL fleet family po. So probably by the end of this year, we will be able to have it. Ayan, and the very famous Mabuhay Lounge, which was newly built in NAIA Terminal 1. This will give you, this is a modern design na po, since bago yung airport natin doon and bago yung lounge sa Terminal 1. So our passengers will be able to access our Mabuhay Lounge. So for our frequent flyers, our elite, premier, elite, and million milers, will be able to access the lounge as well as our business class passengers po. So later we'll be talking about the frequent flyer program of Philippine Airlines to give you more details about it. And for our comfort class naman, so for comfort class seats, this seat is offered for our domestic flights po. So what will you get, or what are the perks of getting our domestic comfort class seats? So you will have more baggage allowance, you will also have the dedicated check-in counter and the wide gourmet of sandwich selection. And then if you're flying naman sa NAIA Terminal 2, if you're flying comfort class for our domestic flights, you will also get to access our Mabuhay Lounge. Ayan, so for our frequent flyer program, again, it's called Mabuhay Miles. So for those who are members already, thank you, and I hope you enjoy the perks of being a Mabuhay Miles member. For those who are not yet members here and online, I highly encourage you to enroll yourselves. This is a free of charge membership which you can access online, and eventually you will be able to enjoy the perks by flying, or if you want to convert your points into miles sa mga cards ninyo, which eventually you can use to redeem flights with Philippine Airlines po. And then for every tier membership, so we have the Classic Elite, Premier Elite, and Million Miler, you get more perks din po. And for the MyPal Travel Boost naman, so if you want to customize your flight, we do offer customization such as the upgrade. For example, you initially booked into economy and you want to upgrade to comfort class or premium economy or business class. It's being offered as well in our website. For the seat select naman, for those who would like to be seated forward of the cabin, we do have the bucket and the exit row, or we do also have the one that is neighbor-free. If you want the whole row to yourselves, that is also possible. You may also want to check it online. Of course, for worry-free travel, we offer the travel insurance. And to upgrade your baggages, so if you want to avail more baggage for pasalubongs in case, we do offer that one then. And the MyPal flavors naman, for our selected domestic and international flights, this is also being offered. So these are all available in our website as well. So the pay by link naman. So before, our standard processing is that you'll have to go to the check-in counter sa airport. If you want to add your seat or additional baggage or an upgrade, you'll have to fall in line dun sa cashier natin sa airport. But right now, by the use of the pay by link or the payment link, the agent in front of you would be able to send you the payment link for you to access the payment, and you will be receiving it through your email. And then after that, you'll just have to encode your card details, or if you want to pay in GCash, that's also possible. So it's less hassle, it's easier, and at the same time, also later, we can provide you our contact details if you have your inquiries and you want to purchase a ticket or our PAL Travel Boost. We'd be able to assist you through this pay by link option. Ayan, so si Sir kanina nagtanong siya if meron tayong ongoing seat sale. So right now, we've launched our ultimate seat sale yesterday. So the selling period started yesterday up until August 31 yan. So the travel period would be August 18 as well for immediate travelers. You will be able to access or see our promo rates. And then hanggang January, yung mga ibang destinations natin, and then there are ones naman that the travel date starts at February until further notice. So for our ultimate seat sale for our domestic flight, this is as low as 189 pesos for our base fare on our select domestic flight, and for our international flight for as low as $59 round trip economy base fare naman po. So again, you'd be able to access the promo online. It's available. If you have your preferred travel agencies, they can also offer it to you. You may check the options po. It's available naman. And to contact us naman, we are giving you more ways to contact us. So we have our mobile phone number, we have the hotline, the QR codes for Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, and our PAL help page to get in touch with us po. Ayan, and that would be all for Philippine Airlines. Thank you for lending me your ears. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's hold, if we have any questions, let's hold them for later. Papag-present po muna natin lahat ng ating guests. This time, proceed naman po tayo with SSS, Miss Gloria.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so we're glad that we can join you this time dito sa ating Pampanga Press Club Kapihan. It's been a long time since last time na nakasama tayo dito. And we are celebrating our 60th anniversary at SSS, and we have good news for our pensioners and members. First, for our pensioners, this is the first time that we're going to offer the pension reform program, wherein this is a multi-year pension adjustment increase for our pensioners. Lahat po ng ating pensioners. Yes. Marami, sisters. Okay, so this is not just one time. Hindi lang po itong this coming September 1st, yung mga tumatanggap ng kanilang pension on the first day, meron din 16th day. That's the first na 10% increase that you will be receiving. Then after 1 year, next year, September 2026, another 10% increase will be given to our retirement and disability pensioners. And then for 2027 again, so for 3 years, merong 10% pension increase yung ating mga pensioners for retirement and disability. Now, for survivors, sa kanila po, 5% every year. So effectively, yung magiging increase nila is yung sa retirement and disability, nasa 33.1% at the end of the third year. So ang laking bagay yan, ang hinihiling lamang is 1,000 per month, no? Pero mas malaki pa po yung binigay natin sa SSS. If you are going to combine the three 10% increases, it will total to more than 7,500 para sa mga highest pensioners natin. Okay, so ano na yan marireceive na nila ito starting September 1st, 2025. So that's in conjunction with our SSS anniversary. Okay, and recently, there had been calamities again, no? May mga typhoons na pinagdaanan tayo. So ongoing ngayon yung calamity loan program natin. And the good news there is, na-reduce po yung ating interest from 10% to 7%. Provided hindi nag-avail ng condonation yung borrower natin. Yung mga nakapag-avail, then doon tayo sa dati na 10%. So up to 20,000 ang pwede nilang ma-loan, makatulong para makapag-repair or doon sa mga yung mga affected ng calamity. Okay. And the third one is for those of you na medyo marami extra na pera, even for PAL, para sa CSR po ninyo, meron po tayong Contribution Subsidy Provider Program wherein pwede kayong mag-sponsor ng mga individuals na medyo hirap sa pagbabayad ng SSS premiums nila, especially those in the informal sector, yung mga self-employed natin, OFW, and voluntary members. So it could be part of your corporate social responsibility. Even yung mga asawa ng mga empleyado natin, pwede natin silang tulungan. Kasi iba talaga kapag meron kang sariling pera sa pagtanda mo. So we try to help out one another para magkaroon ng social security benefits. Dadagdagan ni Normie.
Okay, well said by my BP Glo. Another one, this time, we are looking for the members who have stopped paying their contributions. For example, yung po mga members natin na hindi pa nakakumpleto ng 120 months contribution na napahinto ng paghuhulog, probably nawalan ng trabaho or nakalimutan na, we are looking for them to be able to come back or return in paying contributions para naman po when they reach the age of 60, they will be able to receive a pension, mag-qualify sila. Sayang naman. Kaya kung may mga kakilala po tayo na mga SSS member wherein napahinto ang paghulog ng contribution, paki-share po natin kasi sayang ito Kasi pag naka 120 months contribution ka and when you reach the age of 60, you are already entitled for a pension monthly. And as said, tumaas po ang pension natin ngayon para naman sa retiring age natin, hindi tayo basta maging burden ng family natin. At least meron po tayong nare-receive na pension. No matter how much it is, malaking tulong po. And aside from that, meron pa po yan na 13-month pension. So may pa-bonus pa rin po tayo every December. Kaya isa po sa ng SSS ngayon, hinahanap po natin yung mga members na napahinto ng paghuhulog. Para naman although kahit hindi ka nakakumpleto ng 120 months, may mga benefits ka pa rin naman na pwedeng ma-receive like disability benefit, no? Or pwedeng pag namatay yung membro natin, entitled pa rin siya ng funeral benefit. And if naka 36 contribution siya, entitled naman sa death benefit yung survivor. So mas maganda naman sana kung at least makapag 120, mas marami pa. Siyempre, the more contributions, the higher would be the pension. Yan po. And ano pa ba yung updates natin? Natatawa sila siguro, natutuwa yung mga parents natin. Kasi there are some members, sinasabi nila, bakit hindi namin nalaman yan before? Para yung parents namin na pagpatuloy yung paghuhulog or na-member namin sa SSS kasi nga meron tayong universal coverage. For as long as meron tayong pinagkakakitaan, you are entitled to be a member of SSS para sa kita natin, mai-share natin yung makapag-share tayo sa SSS member tayo, mai-share natin yung contribution para in time, yun nga, as I have said, may entitle po tayo sa mga benefits ng SSS.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, so that's it as far as SSS is concerned. Thank you, Ms. Normie and Ma'am Gloria. Ngayon naman po, we welcome from the Alliance of Travel and Tours Agencies of Pampanga, Mr. Joel Sarmiento.
Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita niyo sa amin dito o sa akin dito. Well, basically wala po akong nakareding presentation, but I would tell you briefly what is Alliance of Travel and Tours Agencies of Pampanga all about. So basically, the Alliance of Travel Agencies, or ATAP, have started in 1996. It was the first travel organization here in Central Luzon. And perhaps the most active travel association here in Central Luzon as well. And I would tell you why it's very active later on with our projects and the previous projects that we had. Basically, our mission and vision as an association is to uphold the integrity in travel and tourism. So this is, of course, to develop and harness the legitimate travel and tourism potentials, to develop and harness opportunities for inbound and outbound travels. So to establish the high standards in the travel industry in conducting business with befitting honesty and professionalism. And of course, to protect and support our stakeholders like Philippine Airlines, partners and consumers. And also, of course, to promote and enhance national tourism and development. So, one of the milestones, of course, that we had since 1996 is basically not only pioneered, of course, the local travel organizations here in Central Luzon, but also we did the first commercial flight from Clark to Hong Kong, a chartered flight. Also, we did the first Gulf tourism in our province, and also we also organized a Run Tourism Fun Run. So hindi lang po pang tourism ang inaano namin, so we link other industries like sports in tourism, in order for us to attract more visitors. So we also organized a Travel Luzon Travel Fair, which was in 2022, which it has, of course, we have invited and also attracted a lot of agencies and also companies that are in the sector of tourism and travel. So, and that I think one of the most successful projects that the Alliance of Travel and Tours Agencies Alliance of Travel and Tours Agencies of Pampanga. Okay, and also last year we, as I've mentioned, we did not only. We are linking other industries in the tourism. Like last year, we have supported Betis Symphonic Band 54. Yes, Betis Symphonic Band 54, because they're competing internationally, and unfortunately they don't have much funds in order to support their competition in Singapore. And what we did, we organized a concert for them in June 2024, in order for them to be able to have funds to fly to Singapore. And so successfully, they won second place in the international competition, and also earlier to this year, also we have supported the Teatro Fernandino. Okay, they are actors, they are stage actors, theater actors of San Fernando, who are also scholars supported by the LG of San Fernando. And in order to support, and not only to support them financially, but also we would like to revive the dying arts, which is the theatrical play. So we organize to so we organized already twice, last year and this year. No, 2 years ago, in 2023 and 2025, in order for our members to be updated or to be well trained in in the tourism sector. Also, most of our members also are supporting the local tourism. I think 25% of our members are doing inbound tourism, which they are bringing more visitors here in Pampanga or in Central Luzon or in our country. Why is that important? It's not only that we are showing the nationalism of our members or of the association, but also supporting the local economy and the communities here in the Philippines, especially in our province. So that is very, very important for us, and also it's very, very important for our tourism sector here in our province and in our region. Another one also, we just few days ago, in last Sunday, we did our 6th dental mission in a regional rehabilitation youth center with the DSWD Haven for Women. So basically, the RRYC are home of course, boys, men, young men who have committed crime, and they are there for rehabilitation. And of the Haven for Women or for girls is basically a home for abused women, sexually and physically. So we were doing this since 6 years ago. So we had our 6th dental mission last Sunday, and so this is a way for us to bring back the successes or the blessings that we have as an association and as businesses. And also it's it's the thing that we should do as human beings. And also, I would like also to promote our first Arbor Day, ATAP Arbor Day, which will be held on September 25. Arbor Day is basically a tree planting. And we are adopting a 1 hectare of land in Arayat, Pampanga, with a partnership of the Department of Environment National Sources. So this will be in September 25. So I would like to invite you to join us as well para mas masaya, Philippine Airlines. No? September 25 in Arayat, yes. Watch out for our post in Facebook of all the details. So this will be the first. And also, I would like also to promote our B2B Connect, our one of the biggest B2B event as ATAP only, which will be held on October 16. 16. It will be in Best Western here in Balibago. Okay. So it will be from 1 to 5. So I would like to invite, of course, you and the travel industry, definitely. Philippine Airlines again, to be one of our tabletop sellers. And hopefully you will offer us a good, promos on that day. Yeah. So, and of course, we will have more projects to come next year and the following years, and we will also would like to continue, doing all what we have started, especially in charity, the tree planting, which is new, and of course, bringing our members closer to the industry player or stakeholders, and of course, our members now are 56 I think 57, sorry, 57 yesterday, because there was one new member. So we are 57 now and growing. And yeah, so that's it. That's what is Alliance of Travel and Tours Agencies of Pampanga.
Alright, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga guests. Now, after all the presentations, the floor is now open for any question from any... Yes, sir. We start with Tito Perry. Ayun po yung microphone.
Kalbo. Gandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Wala responde. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ang Agosto ay buwan ng wika. Bilang mga Pilipino at partikular, Kapampangan ang kakausap sa inyo ngayon. Si Perry Pangan. Meteko Ken. Mitda. Buriko rin ka na akong kutang at lulang liwas-liwas. Metong para kayang Philippine Airlines. Kining nanay tangke ka to? Nanay tangke. Ay, sindikato na rin atap. Apo ay GLORIA, my favorite name. Di ba naging guest na kita? Kaya ano, hindi ako nakapagsalita na. Inubos mo yung oras ko eh. Babawi ako ngayon. Okay, kutang. Pilano mo rin aeroplano na ng Philippine Airlines sa Susulapo, Clark?
Kapampangan, sir. O Tagalog.
Natural, Kapampangan. Kamarine ka, lagumoy ka magkapampangan. Ini
Ay,
kasi
Kapampangan
adapted
ka to,
yan,
sir.
Kapampangan nini. Peke. Peke yan, Kapampangan nini. Ika urig. Pilano rin aeroplano ng Philippine Airlines sa Susulapo.
As of now, Kenny, sir, ating katang...
As of now naman, Sangeni.
Sangeni. Ay, wala pala na eh. Ay, Kapampangan pala.
Baba, masigil ka.
Ngeni, ating katang atlong... Nanong flight?
Susulapo.
Atlong flight Susulapo.
Biyahe.
Ating katang atlong biyahe ni Kenny Clark. So, mumunta ka ta Basco, Batanes.
Okay.
Coron, Busuanga, Ampo, Siargao.
May kasakyan ako karat ang biyahe nga nita?
Sa akin na kayo!
Alin at ang bisat tugi ka na ako, libre.
Ayun.
Kaya mo metong niya ang pao, punta, itang pauli, problema yun na. At kung in-schedule ang biyahe, para kanita, patangin naman kayong mamanoran. Patang alanay Goryo, alanay... Nanulang klaseng aeroplano rin gagamitan nyo nang?
Ang yun, sir, uling islands la kasi rin pupunta lang tamo. So, gagamit ka taret ang propeller type.
Okay.
Detang turboprop. Kasi ring airports, dala ay accommodate detang
Detang mga
mas
ragol.
maragul. Yes.
So, the propeller lang kalupad doon at ang Clark Cebu.
Clark Cebu.
Yung alawang airline, mga rin gagamitan na. Propeller.
Medyo mas maragul. Ring haliwa.
Oh, itang dihabil na ita, pila niya mo pasero ita.
Kaya kami, sir, ating 6 for comfort class and then 80 for economy class.
O ita, pwede no rin ita.
86. So.
Ikayo po, biyasa ko pong Kapampangan, sigurado ko na po. Okay. 57 apong kapit na retang travel agency na associated kaya kayong aguman. Pila na po rin tutuka reta?
Ding organic.
Ali maglaram ko siguro niya, bisa. Baka niya ko po.
Of course, all the member, dengagang member makiabe kay kami.
Sagli, ninong kapateo at mga ulisa kayo.
Masigan niya mo po yung guy.
Mga kalaki Gloria.
Opo, ding hanggang pong members or hanggang agencies and even ding agency po o paretang non-agency makiabe kaya kami. We of course po we screen them. I-screen na nila po before they can join.
Ano po itong screen na ito?
Of course, mumuna pong dili, ding permits daw.
Yung isasabihin nyo lang, sasalaan nyo lang.
Sasalaan nila pa po.
Okay.
Ayan na. So, naman po maligwa yung mag-member King Atap. It will, kumbaga dumalan niya pong proseso bago maging member.
Bayo kanya
First
saguli. Kanya kitang ko kaya kayo iti importante keng metong ahensya na magbiyahe tang integridad.
Of course.
Lalo na nung luluwal ka kaya ti Pilipinas.
Yes. Opo.
Kasi nung puro siyang pakinabang, puta kailangan yung pakialam,
Opo.
makaluno siyang magbiyahe. So, kanyapin ating kang ahensya
Opo.
Bang malaguhin
Opo,
kaya gana-gana.
Opo.
Mayroon ka lulupas bul, akit may tang makabiling entrance, balo mo exit. Entrance Aluwa itang may tigagal ka, ulan na ng agency mo palpakya. Makanano ko nga balo, nung ing metong ahensyang magbiyahe, tutuya ang pong alya.
Mumunang dili, syempre, siguraduhan niyo po na ATAP member yan.
Makanano kung akit kaya tang opisina na.
Of course,
Tap-tap, anong makabili ka rin.
makabili po. Ating kaya pong stickers, nakakabit every year kung ATAP member yoli. Or, kung ako mga sigurado,
Abang pangap.
o kaya,
Bruno
opo,
yan,
o kaya,
ATAP.
o kaya kung ako po sigura, kung ako po akiting sticker, itang kapapaning sticker,
Makapekat po.
itang makapekat,
May balangingi. Kaya ba't po?
mga pekat, pwede yun na kaya man pong ausan, or even, or kaya, magpadala kayong mensahe.
Okay.
King kaya kami pong FB page.
Pero Kapampangan kayo po.
Kababaan ko po.
Kasi pilido yung kayong Kapampangan, hindi naman talaga Sarmiento. Kaya Kapampangan, ipilido mo Sarmiento.
Sarmiento po, Sarmiento.
Kasi ba konkreto yun? Sarmiento Wow. So ngayon po kanyan,
Opo.
hindi na yung pwedeng ausan para abaluta mo na yung kasabi tamo tututaya.
Opo. Ako po yung ausan nyo. Pwede naman po nga ako, o rin kaya kaming officers.
Pwede yung kupundi ng may poras, may pagsalita ta kay radyo.
Ay po, opo. Sige, mas pasanting.
Pota po, bakit tala na akong number? Lakuan kayo po yung number ko kaya
Opo,
bahala na
opo.
ko kayong biyayo. Madagol na kayo, balbasan ko pa.
Opo.
Okay, dakal po salamat. Painawan ko pa ang
Sige, sige.
May balangingi na kayo. Last question na to from my end. Kabiyasan Kapampangan. Aliyo, Kapampangan.
Kailangan ko na interpreter.
Okay. Ginawa na natin yan kanina. Ito po, madam, kasi peking Kapampangan po yung naroon. Ito po, translator niya. Mag-microphone po kayo. Ilang taon na po ba kayo sa Pampanga, madam? O teko pa po biya sa Kapampangan?
7 years na.
Oo.
Oo, pero hindi ako
Pero
natuto.
makaintindi kayo.
Kung minsan
Dita.
konti. Tita.
Ano po ba ang inyong salita?
Ilocano.
Ay na, apple juice.
Well,
Ilocano nga eh. Ilocano nga raw. Tiga saan?
When manong
Tiga ayan nga eh.
San Fernando La Union.
Ay. Sorry. Ditakyan ka na kung balo kang Ilocano. Imbalo ko muna, himason. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Masarap yung iman.
Kita mo, Jo. Nahimason. Okay. Pero talagang alam ko talaga, masama pero masarap. So, kinam kam. Parental guidance. I know, that's why I'm a little excited. Ito to rin, alakman talent figure ni. This is a free show, by the way. I get paid by the minute. That's my work. And even more expensive, I am being paid for things I don't say. Buri may kanta? Okay. Ika na ang kutnan ko. Yako, bayo ko maging pensionado. Yun ba yung itang house na kapatang halimbawa, may kaulog na kang dinalan at 20. May kabaldog. Kasi kami may nalbog, may nabu eh. Okay? Kabating may nalbog, galo pa nitang check-in talbog. Wala mo rata. Talbog. Okay. May kadinala ng punga 20 beses. Gusto ita? Mag-microphone.
Opo.
So, kulipikado na ka.
Opo.
Okay. Kaya ka na akong kaso. Dati kong tensyonado, ngayon pensyonado na ako.
Tensyonado ka dati.
Dati. Wow. May palitan niya. May
pensyonado.
pensyonado.
Okay.
Itang belita ng ating Gloria, mayapya malago pong manayon niyang balita.
Opo. Dalawang pension yun.
Lanong dalawa.
Survivor.
Ano? Oy, mga pampanga kanya na mo, mambalipis sabihin mo Vice Presidente ini.
Wow.
No, ini vice mo, emang Presidente ini.
Wapen. Opo.
Itatanggapan ko, tatanggapan retang ordinaryong tao. Matasin ka na akong
Opo.
pensyon.
Pilan la po rin pension nyo nung ako tangko.
Mandakap ka, Jo. Nakamalupang barangay, mandakap ka.
Mangutang ko mo po. Okay.
Kaya radyo ko niya pakibatan niya lang na. Okay, strict lang kasi rin parents ko.
Intindihan ko po.
Okay, ba't mahal ba yung manager ko? So, potar ko nga suspendi ko. Baka niyan man. Kwalipikado ko pakita 5,000 ko kwento ng Kasing Gloria?
5,000?
Wah. Ita ka nung dagdagan.
Opo, qualified ko po. Kay po, 5% ita. Kang ketang metong, 5%, ketang metong, 10%.
Oh, din na meta? 1 plus 1 niya? Loko, sesela na ako muna eh.
Oo,
Kasi bayo kaya pati.
Mm.
Ibisis peripangan.
Opo.
At niya sarili ng SSS.
Opo.
Okay?
Opo.
Anya kayo ling magana kayo masyado kinuwanan na ng gino. Natural. Ganaganang may naklasi, karitang pebanjana, miras laka ako.
Opo.
Retang matindi ka rin pebanjana, tsula ka rin anak na.
Gusto niya po kanta ito.
Ay siya.
Opo.
Okay. Ngini, itang awan ng Kasing Gloria, kapilang kitanggapan tang karagdagan.
Magumpisaya po keng September.
Iningirite.
Opo, inimbanwang IT.
Potangay ka nito, itang katukinan nito sasabihan at kukwento ng Kasing Gloria pagmarali na. Balway na jo, pagmarali O, nano yung kapilan niya.
Next year naman po kanita ita. Panibayo na naman.
Alimbawa, anti mo ako tatanggapang ngayon ka na kung pensyon, ketangawsan ng ATEMA. ATM. Oo.
Opo. Automatic ya pong miragdagan ita. Effective, manibatan keng, o magumpisa, manibatan keng September, ngayon yung banwang IT.
Dahil ba siyang naging pamamaldog o pamagnabo, karit ang pensyon bulan-bulan?
At ita pong kayong bulan ng pensyon,
Opo.
miragdagan niyang 10%. Nung halimbawa, 10 milya, maging 10 mil kaya kanita. 10% na ni 10 mil, magkano? 1,000.
Burimian dandamang kanyang tayo eksakto nung magkano Pati itang butal.
Opo. And then, kay bat na po nita, kayong daratang nga banwa, another 10, pasibayong
Panibayo
10,
yang?
10%. Pero ketang 10% nga ita, nanong kapambangan kayong tatimis, mamultiply. Itang,
Tatimis po, burita maging mayumuya pa.
Oh.
Matamis Timis nga na po nito.
ita pong total yun ng pension, itang atinang dagdag.
Bali po yung total kay kapapangan.
Gana-gana, di ba?
Ali po, Laguma.
Laguma, ay sorry po. Laguma ka no.
Opo.
Yung sum
Ayak mo na hindi
total.
lang, nanginine pa din namin Laguma.
Wow,
Okay.
po.
Okay, ati mo po kayo. Manyari pong makapangutang, personal po.
Ako po.
Okay.
Nung agyuke pong
Ay,
patibatan.
agyo po agyo. Membro na ko po ng SSS.
Ayaw po naman.
May kapila na ko mo po.
Pensyonado na ako naman po.
Magkano mo po tatanggapin yung bulan?
Ba?
Po sabihin ng totoo. Kita mo malapit kayo totoo.
Data privacy act ah.
Wapo. Wapo. Pwede ko pong manahimik, dapat po tarago mas may kaduda kesa kentiwala. Kasi po ako pwede kayo po sabihin, kayo, itang malapit kayo totoo.
Opo.
Ikayo ang timorin.
Eya po lalampas kayong 10 mil.
Kaya kayo?
Opo.
Ba't kayo na natin ng bildog yun?
Opo, uli pong voluntary member ko po eh.
So,
Kaya na
na-
pong minunang panahon,
Opo.
may kapag-obra ko po kayong pribado,
Opo.
ngeni, sindu ko niya mo po.
Kasi po rin nga luwang kaya betake ni, ela po o senasan. Bali senasan. Akin si mapupos. Ila po ela senasan, senyasan lamo po. Opo. So, itapong ka rin lang pangamiyembro
Okay.
keng SSS, ilang mismo. Gusto ko ba? Mag-apply kayo, mag-voluntaryo na po.
Opo. Voluntary.
Ya ko po uling may kipag-obra akong maluwat na panahon. Sinigurado ko na kaumpisa ko kayong obra, ang yangalak sweldo, balduganan dyan niya itang ka na akong SSS.
Ang kakaling niyo po talaga, ne?
At
Kanina
miras
pa.
po yung panahon. Kinabangan kepo. Yan nung sabihan kepo, tatanggapan ko yung bulan, siguro mabigla kayo, at saka po tayo maglibre kay Lumber Burger. Chay, matabang ito.
Opo.
Pero si Chit Kege ka.
Oo. Opo, masaleseya po.
Celeste,
Kasalese na.
pwede na ako magsama pa si Bayo.
Opo. Ating kopang metong kanta, di ba? Pero itong may kasawa kayong pasibayo, maputot siya itang ketang metong.
Huling.
Huling batas na po ng SS, istong ng metong nga pensyonado, tatanggap yung death pension, narane. At may kasawa yun.
Namilyari kayo kapampangan mo, death pension niya, bigla ginuko kasiplina nito. Oh.
Pe-pension niya, huling itang asawa na, pensyonado ya mete, ya milipat.
Yaman ang mga kapampangan din na may pe-pension. Kaya ba't na rin te-tension, pe-pension? Okay. Sige po, game.
Gusto pong may kasawa na yung metong tao tatanggap pa pension. Ketang mete ng asawa.
Pumanginis yan.
Oo,
Okay.
maputot na po. Mitok nang iya. Mitok nang iya.
Adya po kayo nekesal.
Ay, kapakasal. Bayang nga maputot.
Kagaling mo munye. Kahit tagubilan. Kapakasal bayang nga maputot.
Makipagkaluguran na ka mo po.
Ay, rugon eh. Okay. Now, back to Philippine Airlines. Okay, game. SSS.
Tonet Orejas, and kaming chairman. No karin la po kanuring funding. How can SSS afford the increase in pension?
May mga investment pong ginagawa rin ng SSS. At saka very prudent talaga ang SSS sa pondo niya. Kasi members funds yan eh. Members sa money.
So yung increase natin for 3 years, walang kasabay na contribution rate hike. Hindi tayo mag-i-increase ng contribution. Kasi talagang nakolekta na rin natin, ka-increase lang din natin itong 2025. And for the span of 3 years na magbibigay tayo ng pension increase, walang contribution rate hike.
Are you saying now that as we speak, SSS is financially sound?
Yes, it's financially sound. At
It can
kaya
sustain
may
its
actuarial study po yan. Kaya kinaya po natin na magbigay ng ganong kataas na increase.
Palakpakan ng SSS. Ibig sabihin niyan, madam, for the next 3 years, hindi titigil ang sweldo mo. Kasapagkat nasa mabuting kamay ka. Kumbaga sa bangko, para kang Metrobank. Tapos na ang SSS sa video, they find ways. Okay? Okay, SSS? O tayo tala, papaulan din. Ipurusta na pa lang SSS. Okay. Meron ka pala. Okay.
As of now po, meron po ba tayo kahit bulk figure lang ng parang, ang tawag dito, yung total contributions po natin per year, parang gaano kalaking na-generate natin? Do you call it income on your part or? Yes. Para lang po for our stories, for background, yan, you are financially sound. Pero every year po, gaano kalaki po yung naipapasok natin, no? Na parang pera sa ating pondo para ginagamit po natin na pinamimigay for the benefits, etc. Thank you po.
I'll get back with you regarding yung data, no? Yung report para lang exact. Pero for the pension increase for the 3 years, we will be shelling out 92.8 billion pesos. 0.8 billion for the 3 years na magbibigay tayo ng pension increase from 2025 to 2027. Dito po sa area po namin, sa Luzon Central 2 Division, yung area po natin, comprising of Pampanga, Bulacan, and parts of Zambales, meron po tayong pensioners na 163,000 in our area, sa Luzon Central 2 Division. Lahat po sila, all-inclusive po tayo, lahat magkakaroon ng increase. So yung mga retirement and disability pensioners, 10% po for the first year, and then another 10%, another 10%. Yung mga survivor or death pensioner, yun po yung 5%, and then another 5%, then another for 27. Ang meron po tayo, yung sa division po natin, yun yung 163,000. Wala akong exact numbers, pero yung kabuuan po sa buong Pilipinas, 3.8 million po yung pensioners natin. So we have 163,000 in our area. Okay. I-check ko lamang po kung nandito yung ano. Pero 163 divided by 3.8 million, yun po. Sa computation po natin, wala po tayong exact amount, pero we have some computations kung magkano aabutin ng highest na pension. Yes, meron po tayong minimum, average, or highest. Yung highest po sa area po natin is 22,670. Minimum, noon kasi unang panahon may inabot pang 10 pesos, may mga ganon, o 3 pesos. Maliliit. Inabot po niya. Average is 5,377.21. Ito wala pang increase, ito yung sinabi ko, base pension pa lang ito. Yung current pension. Kaya kung ano po yan, kung yung sa 33, aabot ng 33.1 kasi mag-i-increase tayo ngayon, 10%. Yung increase na yan, kasama pa yan doon sa imumultiply mo ng another 10%. Kaya abutin tayo ng hindi lang 30%, kundi 33.1%. Kaya yung maximum natin, magiging 30,173.77 or 7,500 yung increase niya sa pension for 3 years. So makikita po natin na kung mas malaki yung naihulog nating contributions, mas malaki yung magiging pension po natin at mas malaki din kung meron po tayong dinideclare na increase, mas malaki po kasi percentage ang natin. Computation in line with the principle of work, save, invest, and prosper na nakasaad po doon sa SS law natin.
Question? Arlie?
Sino pa? Saan po? PPC. Ito. Saan pa? Nasaan siya, sister? PPC?
Arlene, were you looking at it? Ako may question.
Sige, sir.
Okay, sige. I'll ask, ito pong question, follow-up question ni Chairman Tonet. If pension increase at 92.8 billion, how much is investment projected income? So kung meron daw pong increase na maabot siguro 92.8 billion, how much is investment projected income?
We'll get back to you, sir, ha? I-check ko lang yung yung sa scorecard namin.
Okay.
May half year na po tayong report eh.
Sige, ma'am. Arlene, may question ako. For our friends in the travel, PAL and ATAP, just like most of the businesses, Tagalog nga pala, pero mahirap yata. Okay. Karamihan ng negosyo sa nakalipas na 3-4 na taon nung pandemic apektado, di ba? So, ngayon ba sa panahong ito, kahit pa paano ay nakakabawi na ang travel industry? Like, sa kaso ng paliparan natin sa CRK, bumalik na sa, parang bumabalik na pala ang yung bilang ng mga flights dun sa pre-pandemic stage. So, masasabi ba natin sa in the travel and tour industry, kahit pa paano ay nakakabawi na tayo?
For PAL, sir, as we can see naman po, kahit papano nakakabawi naman na po yung travel industry. Kaya din po kami naglalabas ng mga promos. So, katulad po ngayon, we do have the ultimate to book and redeem flights via Philippine Airlines po.
Sa parte po kaya ng ano ng
Sir,
travel
in
and
regards
tour
naman sa
operators?
travel industry, in sa mga particular sa mga travel agents, they're recovering naman ang travel industry mismo, it's recovering because there was a travel revenge, especially in 2023 and 2024. However, as a travel agency company, medyo naging mas mahirap because lalong dumami ang mga travel agencies after the pandemic, no? Because of course there are potential biglang nabuksan lahat ang mga destinations natin, and there are lots of people who were really excited to travel again, and a lot of people also have seen the potentials of the travel business. So ngayon, dumami lalo kami in the industry. I mean, dumami lang mga players na as a travel agent sa industry. Which becomes difficult for us as travel agents to compete, no? To compete. But yes, of course, nag-recover na. But we have in the stakeholders like Philippine Airlines who are really helping us, sa mga promo nila in order for us to be competitive. So, yan. Kaya importante ang mga suporta ng mga ating mga airlines. No?
Yeah, thank you. Sa mga kaibigan natin sa SSS, ma'am, welcome back. Thank you for gracing us again dito sa News at News. Ngayon, panahon ng mga bagyo, kalamidad, so aside from the usual calamity loans, meron mabangong programa ang SSS sa pagtulong sa mga nasasalanta ng bagyo at ano pang sakuna?
Actually po, gusto rin namin ipaalam sa lahat, yung restructuring ng mga loans natin, continuing na. Ibig sabihin, makokondone yung mga penalties pagka nag-apply tayo.
Ano pong klaseng loan? Yung may
Halimbawa po,
condonation?
calamity loans, salary loans na hindi natin nabayaran sa tamang panahon doon sa mga due dates nila. Mag-a-apply lang po tayo ng restructuring of accounts para yung mga penalties, no? Penalties dahil hindi nabayaran sa tamang on due date, makokondone po.
Kasama po dyan yung may housing loan? Housing? May ganun pa ba?
Parang hindi po yata.
Okay. Mga calamity,
and
salary.
loan.
Alright.
Opo. Short-term loan. Malaking bagay po yun. Kasi may mga borrowers tayo, pag pinakompute, ang laki ng penalty, kung minsan 60,000, 50,000. So, pag restructure yon, pwede pang bayaran in installment manner. So, matatanggal po lahat ng penalty.
Okay. Yung po bang mga tulad namin walang regular salary, pwede mag-salary loan?
Meron po tayong qualifying contribution. At least, dun sa last 12 months niya, meron siyang 6 na contribution. Hindi necessarily yung last 12 months niya may contribution. Basta meron po siyang 6.
Okay. So, dati na siyang ko-contribute. Meron siyang nire-remit sa SSS. Alright. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Gusto ko rin po palang idagdag para sa mga pensyonado natin, pwede pa rin po silang mag-pension loan. Meron po kasi tayong isang programa pa, pension loan program. So, dati kasi pagka pensionado ka na, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-loan, This time po, pwede po sa SSS. And then, yung monthly pension niya, ang ibabayad niya doon sa loan, kasi self-liquidating, 60% lang po ang kukunin ng SS. Meaning, yung remaining 40% ng kanyang pension, makukuha mo pa rin para meron ka pa rin may iwanan na pera. Hindi po lahat na kukuhanin ng SS. Napakaganda po nito. Para yung ating mga pensioners, hindi na nila isanla yung kanilang mga ATM. With due respect sa mga other financing businesses, sa SS na lang po kayo mag-loan. And then, pagka po namatay ang ating pensionado, dahil po may insurance yan, hindi na po niya babayaran. Opo. Dim paid na po siya kasi may... Ay, hanggang... 10? Ay, hindi. Maximum of 200,000 pero ibabase pa rin po dun sa kanyang monthly pension. 12, no? So, okay.
Thank you.
Balikan ko lang yung tanong ni Sir Noel kanina about doon sa return on investments natin, no? Yung meron po tayo dito, kasi meron kaming sinasubmit na scorecard doon sa GCG. And dito, base sa report po dito, as of June 2025, naka 105.35% accomplishment na po tayo doon sa target na return on investments. Kaya very secure ang funds po ninyo, mga contributions ninyo sa SSS.
Si Nini.
Panghuli lang po sa SS. Marami pong kaso na nababalita, yung mga, minsan po maglo-loan yung mga tao, tapos they will find out na meron na pong nakapag-loan on their name. Yan. Yung iba naman pong cases, kagaya kay Miss Ria, yung pong maglo-loan siya, pero nag-loan siya, pero yung pong niloan niya for for ilang years, alam niya, paid na, pero hindi po pala nakaltas. So sa una ko pong tanong, Tagalog, sa una ko pong tanong, ano po ang mga planong o programang pang-seguridad na ginagawa po ng SSS para maprotektahan po yung mga members natin?
Ngayon, ang ating transaction, pag nag-file tayo ng loan, through online na siya, Kaya kailangang i-secure natin yung mga My SSS account natin, yung mga credentials. Hindi dapat natin sinishare yan kung kani-kanino. Dapat kayo na mismo ang mag-transact ng inyong mga yung services na gusto nyong i-avail sa SSS, para ma-avoid na may nangyayari kasi na halimbawa tulong siya sa isang computer shop, binigay yung username, pati password, yon na pag-filean ng loan. So pag sa pagkakataong ganon, pwede kayong makipag-ugnayan doon sa pulis, para maano yung mga taong gumagawa nun. At meron din tayong ini-issue ngayon na scammer alert. May mga nagtatawag na kunwari SSS employee pero hindi po. Ang ginagawa niyan, parang pinapa-screen share yung sa kanyang cellphone, tapos nakikita na, ninilimas na pala yung mga laman ng mga bank accounts nila. So hindi po yon galing sa SSS, kaya dapat po paniguraduhin na yung kausap po natin ay taga-SSS po. Opo, meron po tayo dito sa 1455002 yung umpisa kapag mobile number ang gamit. 1455. And yung tanong pa ninyo na isa is about yung kung nag-loan, hindi kinaltas, Yun po. Meron pa pala. So, ang laki na ng penalties and interest noon, So, yun yung na-mention kanina ni Ma'am Normie about dun sa loan restructuring program po natin. So, via online ulit through your My SSS account, mag-apply kayo ng condonation. Para yon mapatawad yung penalty, pero may babayaran lamang natin yung interest and principal. Pero you can pay, kung hindi kaya ng one time, pwede pa rin installment yan, yung pagbabayad po natin para matulungan po kayo. Kasi talagang malaki din ang penalty, 1% per month or 12% per annum. Kaya...
No, there's another one. There's one more. Okay, ito po. This is from our former president also of PPC, Mr. Eric Jimenez. What will happen to SSS if all GOCCs who are previous contributors to SSS will shift to GSIS? Di ba nababawasan ng income ng SSS in the coming years?
Actually po, kung nag-shift siya no, sa GSIS, hindi naman mapoporfit yung kanyang SSS contributions. In time, pwede siyang makareceive ng dalawang pension, one from GSIS and one from SSS. Of course, dapat qualified siya for the pension. Wala pong sabi nga natin, once a member, forever. Always a member. Lifetime.
Okay.
At saka po pala gusto ko rin idagdag, if possible, lahat po ng SSS members natin, makapag-upload na po sila ng kanilang bank account. Para pagka nag-loan sila, ready na yung kanilang bank account.
Any bank account po
Opo.
ba yun? O may mga accredited banks lang? Any bank po or
Opo.
mga accredited banks?
Accredited banks. Commercial banks, yan. Halos lahat naman po.
Okay. Any more questions or was that the last one? Yes po.
Actually po, pwede po tayong mag-change ng bank account. Pero may proseso rin po yon. Pwede po yon. May proseso po. Kasi kung halimbawa po, magta-transfer po tayo, mag-open ka na dun sa preferred bank mo. And then, mag-a-upload po tayo ng another bank account. May proseso po, pero pwede po natin palitan yung natin. Pension account po. Opo. Kasi po pagka sinabi nating mag-o-open tayo ng account for SSS pension, maliit lang po yung yung deposit na inihingi. I think it's only 100 pesos. Wala pong maintaining balance. Yun po yung lagi naming ina-advise na nagbibigay po kami ng letter of introduction to your preferred bank para yung magiging account mo, alam din ng bangko na gagamitin for SSS pension. Mas mababa yung Okay po.
And with that, it's a very showbiz way of ending it. And with that, we end this month's edition of News at Hughes. Again, this has been a presentation of the Pampanga Press Club in cooperation with Park Inn by Radisson Clark. And it's being held here at Hughes Cafe. Okay, we'd like to thank our guests from Philippine Airlines and ATAP, and of course, SSS. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mabuhay po kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Gusto, alam nyo yun. Before we proceed with our group photo, Philippine Airlines is going to present a token to Pampanga Press Club. So we'd like to call on our president here, please, and of course, our esteemed elders, past presidents, please. And this will be followed by our traditional group photo. Are we still on? O, tapa. We have been viewed live via Pampanga. We're being viewed live via Pampanga Press Club and also our member organizations, GN and TV44, The Voice News Weekly, the FB Live of awardee Ian Ocampo Flora, Pampanga Press Club, Pampanga News Now, Pampanga News Live, Transcend Spots Blog Mag, and Sunstar Pampanga. Okay. Please. Okay. Wow, may sariling eroplano na po ang Pampanga Press Club.